Welcome to Jewel Envy. My name is Jillian and I'm the owner. Jewel Envy is located in the heart of the Roncesvalles village. Jewel Envy is a retail boutique studio that offers jewelry for sale made by our on-site goldsmiths. We offer bench rental to trained goldsmiths, and we also offer classes evenings and weekends. This is our lovely retail. We only sell the work made by the artists here, and what makes that really special is that every time you come in, you're going to speak with one of the artists on retail. Those artists are able to help identify how something is made and also what substitutions can be made and talk to you about any custom variations. So anything you see in the retail can be customized to exactly what you want, and we can also start just from an idea and make a design completely just for you. So one of the services we offer is bench rental to trained goldsmiths. So what that means is a goldsmith who has either gone to school, done an apprenticeship, or is self-taught. We have no real preference for the way that they've learned the skills. It's just that they make good quality work, have unique ideas, and would like to be part of a community. Jewel Envy is a collaborative space, and it works well when everyone participates. So what we're always looking for are people who want to be a part of that community and want to share, because we want to share and help them achieve their goals. Member goldsmiths receive an area to work to run their own business from. So they get a bench setup, everything has a torch and a flex shaft. They bring their own hand tools, so I've placed some of my favorite hand tools out. They also get a storage space located behind, and then they also have retail space. In addition to this, we try to figure out what each goldsmith is looking for. What is their version of success? And then we try to tailor how we help them succeed based on what their version of success is. And that really is different for each person. Another thing that we offer at Jewel Envy is classes, and we have a variety of them. We do free workshops when we have outside street events. We do kids classes. We do parent and teen classes, and we do adult classes. So we have a variety of formats from a half day to a full day to 2 days to 8 weeks. I just want to highlight a few of the different techniques that we teach. So one thing is wax carving. So we teach you how to carve a piece of wax and then turn it into a finished piece of metal. So these would be the initial carvings, and then you can cast it in your metal of choice. Another thing that we teach is fabrication. So fabrication means that you learn to make jewelry using sheet and wire. So these are two different projects in the fabrication class. And we have many levels of each class. Some fun one-day classes are our stacking ring classes, where you get to make a set of rings. Some people make them all for themselves. Some people make them for their friends. Another really fun class is enameling. It can be really challenging to put color into jewelry without using gemstones, so this is a more cost-effective way. It takes a long time to become really skilled, but it's very immediate, so people enjoy it right from the start. And for the more advanced classes, we teach gem setting. So this is a really important class if you want to take your jewelry further than just the basic skill set.